Hi, let's add an impulse to the object. Let's see how it should work. When I press 1 on the keyboard, I can see that an impulse was added to the sphere. Okay, let's see how to do it from the beginning. Maybe remove the sphere, delete, and do everything from the beginning. I add the sphere, okay. Maybe I will change material. Maybe something metal. Okay, it was gold maybe. I think that gold will be okay. Okay, what is important, I will see to move this object, so this sphere has to be set as movable. This one thing. I also need some physics, so I checked simulate physics. Math doesn't matter, we will see how it works, and enable gravity. Okay, I have set and focus on it, and I will open my level blueprint. I add a reference to the sphere. I need also the method add impulse. I checked out context sensitive to see this method. Okay. I connect this reference as a target. We see that this connection is made automatic. Okay. I also need to add an impulse vector. Let's see, 500. Okay, it should be enough. And now I have to add an event. Maybe one on the keyboard. Maybe this one. Okay, this keyboard event should be okay. When I press the one on the keyboard, I add impulse to the object. Okay, let's see how it works. Compile, save, close this level blueprint. It doesn't work. How? Okay, we have the sphere is movable. Okay. Simulate physics. Okay. Enable gravity. Maybe mass in kilograms. Okay. Okay. Maybe we should ignore the mass of this object. Let's see how it works. Okay, it works. Okay. What is this velocity option? When we checked this, we simply ignore the mass. So change the mass. For example, it should mass about 1 kilograms. I think that it will be okay. Let's see how it works at this moment. okay, but when I set the mass as 100 kilograms, it should be too heavy to add this small force to move it. But let's see. Yes, so impulse is too small, but when we change it, for example, or maybe 5,000, should be powerful impulse. Too small. Okay. Maybe 25,000. It should be better. And it works. So we should remember that there is a need. We have two options. One option is to use the velocity change options, and this way we ignore the weight of this object. Wow, powerful impulse. Set it again to 500. It should be enough power to move it, but don't make it disappear. Perfect. And when I uncheck this velocity change, it will be exact count. It means that there will be comparison this force with this weight. It's 100 kilograms, so we need a big power to move it. But now it should be also okay. Made a mistake. Oh. Yes, I have made a mistake. Okay, it should be enough. Perfect. So, we have seen in what way can we add an impulse to that object. I think that is quite easy. In case of any questions, please let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.